We finally moved into our new place. Our kitchen is finished. I love our house so much. Hi everyone. This morning I ran some errands with Milo. I went to Target, World Market, and Bed Bath & Beyond with him, and let me just say, it took twice as long. Everybody stopped us a bajillion times, so it's like I can't really make a quick trip anywhere. I got home and the backsplash guy is currently working upstairs. My next project is, this is the Alden bar stool from West Elm. It is my dream bar stool. I don't like how this one is actually gray, so I got a black spray paint for it. So I'm gonna detach this, paint it black, then I can use it upstairs. All of the ones that were kind of similar but cheaper, they had really chunky seats that I didn't like. I just like how minimal this one is. So I detached the wood part, and I should really be wearing a mask for this. This one is the Rust Aluminum Painter's Touch 2x Ultra Cover Paint and Primer in it, and I got the satin one in black because I didn't want it to be too matte because I would just think of chalkboard, and I didn't want it too shiny either. Nice. Wow, I like it already. Okay, I'll show you the finished product because this is gonna get really tedious. Before one and after. So I'll reattach it probably tomorrow just to be safe. I made a quick stop at Home Depot because I needed to pick up some floor cleaner because all of this is still dusty from all the construction that was happening, and I saw a bunch of these Raphidopteras. It says it's a philodendron minima. Yeah, Home Depot had a lot of them. Some were in black pots, some were in white ones. This is the last white one, and this was $16.98. Our kitchen is finished. I just finished cleaning everything. The backsplash guy just finished today. There's the dark gray grout and the white tile. I switched out all of the cabinet pulls to the gold ones, and I feel like it's so subtle, but it makes a really big difference. The fridge is gonna come on Tuesday, and I just spray painted those two bar stools as you saw. They will go here. There's gonna be two pendant lights that come down. I am trying still to get my house in order. Downstairs is looking pretty nice. I want to say it's almost done. I still need to do like finishing touches, hang up some light fixtures that just got in. I'm gonna unbox some boxes today because there's a bunch of stuff coming in the mail. I don't want to be going out right now, more so because I don't want to deal with people being crazy. My husband was just trying to go to the grocery store yesterday, and when he turned around, at some point somebody actually stole stuff out of his cart. So I don't want to deal with people doing that. Anyways, this is my variegated monstera. It's growing kind of awkward because in my last place, I needed a grow light above this. So because of the grow light, I think everything was growing in the direction of the grow light. I mean, look look at that. Like, it's growing really awkwardly. So I'm actually going to propagate this. Okay, so I'm going to do one cut. Like, do you see this? It's pretty leaves, but then look at the way it's growing. Let's see what else. I will cut this right here. Here's another. I don't even know how this is gonna work. That one's pretty awkward too. I'm just trying to cut off the awkward ones and then leave the others. Oh wow, that's pretty. Making a bunch of chops up in here. I feel like because of my giveaways that I've done with this plant, I'm not scared to chop it anymore. But the rest of this looks good. I'll show you what it looks like. I put my variegated monstera in our room. I'm actually going to keep it in this room. Bed has not come. I've ordered it. I still haven't gotten sheets. This is the duvet and duvet cover that was on our last bed, but this is a king, that was a queen. I'm gonna go put this into a vessel and I can show you a little bit of downstairs. So please excuse the rest of this. We're still unpacking. This is currently what the plant room looks like. I did take some of the larger plants downstairs, so you'll see that in a second. Here's a quick look at the downstairs part, and it's not completely done at all. In that corner, I have my fiddly fig. Also, I will show you the bar stools in a second. Hey, at Home Goods, I saw this vase a while back, and since I was moving, I didn't want to buy it, but when I went there, it was still there. And not only that, it was on sale, but look how beautiful this is. So it's like white glaze and an etching of like this light terracotta color. Don't you love when things that you want are on sale? It's so nice. I don't normally go to the sale section that often because it kind of promotes you to kind of get things that you don't really need. It just happened to be on sale because it was supposed to be $9.99. I got it for $8. It's so cute. It's a nice size. I was just sitting there and staring at me. Hi, baby. Do you remember when I spray painted these? I feel like it looks so much more expensive when they're spray painted black. So it's like a satin black and I think it looks really good. I just washed it out. I'm just gonna go ahead and propagate this in water because it's worked in the past. Hopefully it'll kind of even out once they start going towards the sun or something when they grow, because this looks really odd. Whatever. I'm just gonna set it right here for now because there's some good sunlight right here. Yeah, this is the best I can do. And I'm just doing water for now. I'm not gonna go find my Leica right now so I can do this. Probably gonna set it over here. Please excuse all the crap I have over there, but it's probably just gonna go on here at one point once it dries off a little bit. I don't think I mentioned this yet, but when we first moved into the house, like on the first day, this plant arrived. I got this Pilea peperomia from the sale, so it came planted in this. I was able to choose what pot I wanted, and it was because on National Pet Day, I entered Milo, a photo of Milo in a plant, and he won. They allowed me to choose a pet-friendly plant, and then I chose this one. In here are actually Milo's baby teeth. They actually just fell out yesterday. I heard one drop to the ground, and I was like, what in the world? Toss it in here for now. Call me a crazy dog, Mom, but you know. Say hi to the troops, baby. Say hi to the troops. I am gonna take him on a long walk, because I have a lot more stuff to do. I want to just lay and cuddle with him all day, but I have a lot of stuff to get ready for the house. A lot of organization. I don't have that many boxes left because, I mean, I didn't have that much stuff. I love you. Sometimes it just looks like he's smiling. Are you smiling? Is that a smile? I love you. Okay, let's go on a walk. Okay, so I have a couple boxes here. One is from Amazon because a lot of things are from Amazon. And then one I actually ordered on Etsy. I got something for the living room. Ooh, okay, packaged well. These are honeycomb shelves. You might have seen them like on Instagram or Pinterest. And I want to put it above my couch because our couch is pretty big, so that space is very bare. Like on my walls, I love them white, but I do want like greenery on there. It comes with some directions here, and then also comes with some stuff to hang it up with. So that's cool. Whoa. So they're all packaged together. Here is one of them. You can add on this middle shelf for like a few more dollars. You could stain this, but I don't think I'm going to. Looks like there's a lot of variation in me in the woods. I'm gonna arrange them on our wall. Basically, there's gonna be a bunch of trailing plants on our wall, so I might need a few more. 5 shelves, and for 2 of the shelves, I wanted the middle shelf in it. It's funny, Milo is just sitting here and watching me as I do this, and he's being such a good boy. I have RBF when I go outside. My husband will sometimes ask, like, why are you mad? And I'm like, I'm not. It's my face. And Milo has a resting concerned face. Like, he always looks concerned, and it's like kind of the cutest thing ever. So he looks extremely concerned as I do anything. By the way, I don't keep him in his playpen all day. Like, he's out with me a lot. If I have something to do, he gets into anything because he's a puppy. Don't think I keep him in there all day because a lot of the time is spent with me. I think that's why he's also like very clingy to me, but I would never get anything done if I had him out right now. Anyways, I got pendant lights from Amazon, and it was a great deal. It was $50 a piece. It's gonna go above there, and I feel like it's gonna make my kitchen look so much more put together. And I haven't even arranged all my plants around yet, but I feel like the view that I brought downstairs is already making it feel more homey. Don't lick that, honey. Okay, so I wanted it to be very plain. Like, I love rattans, I love the more boho stuff, but I like how this is very classic. So this is the top of it, and it goes like, oh, this is pretty. This is gonna match my kitchen perfectly. So the thing is, I have touches of like matte black, but not very much. Like on my media console, I have like matte black, and then I have it on our curtain rod that I recently got. Another touch of black is like I spray painted the bar stool as I showed you earlier. But not very much else outside of that, but I like how this brush gold will bring in the handles from the kitchen. So it's gonna be like this, very plain on the wall, but then inside it's gonna have like that vintage looking Edison bulb, and it's gonna be Very cute. It's gonna tie everything together, I think. So there's just 2 of them. Yeah, I'm not putting it up now, so I'm just gonna set it back in. Yeah, that is a great deal for some pendant lights, because you look online for some pendant lights, they get real expensive real quick.